GuanoBoost, greetings everybody. My name is Lidwaba and I'm back with another video on how to use GuanoBoost. I have all my equipment here. So I have my watering can, I have the smallest can for indoor plants. So I have my 1 liter GuanoBoost bottle. So I have my smallest watering can. This is ideal for your smallest indoor plants, like the one I'm having here. So you just have to make sure that you don't chuck in a lot of GuanoBoost because you have the smallest plant. You can have like your 2 scoops in there because this is the smallest watering can. Just make sure that you don't overwater your indoor plants because it's a call for disaster. So this is how we mix our GuanoBoost in the smallest watering can, and that is ideal for our smallest potted indoor plants.